Why we are using this al? Because of aldehyde carbon. CHO group is here. That's why we are using here Al. And 5-methyl we have written because one branch is here. On 5th position there is one branch and that branch is CH3. So that name will be 5-methyl hexane. Is it clear to everyone? Is there any problem actually?
This. Now the next thing is saline. Saline में discuss हो. Next thing is commission. If commission to partner is given, then commission will be given in two ways. One will be before, one will be after. So we will look at the question. If the commission is given, we look at the question whether it is given to before or whether it is given for after. If it is given from before or after, we need to consider one thing in our mind that commission is always given for profit. If the profit is being earned by the firm, then only our partner is entitled for a commission.
80 minus 4, how much? 80 minus 4? Huh? 14 upon 36 minus 13. 23 into 1000. So now you know what you have to do. For solving now, what you have to do? First divide 14 by 23. Can you?
Yes, sir.
So find out and what the answer should come. Always the answer should come between what? Your answer should be between the model class. So you anyone has got the answer? Divide 14 by 23. What you are getting approximate beta? 46. Total after multiplying by 1000. Now I am asking dividing 14 by 23 what you are. You can check your answer. Is it between the one and answer 23?
So that is denoted as D. And we are aware of that the distance of destination is how much? 25 centimeter. So that we will consider as 25 centimeter. Now we said that the magnification is,
one direction, one plan, one loop, one loop, right? You have to achieve the combination. Is it clear? One direction, one plan. Okay? What is the next one?
Same means all the plants in apple generation they generated as a tall plant. Clear? So this is the law of dominance. In the law of dominance, the one character it shows the tall character they show in the parent to offspring generation as a same.
Halogens we always keep in halogen family, that is 17 group element. That they belongs to halogen family, and halogen elements are placed in 17 group in periodic table. And in 18 group you will see all the noble gases are present in group number 18 or inert gases you can see. Noble gases like
Good morning everyone, myself Ankita from 12th Science standing here to express my views on before, duration and after the situation of coronavirus. As we all know that coronavirus has spread all over the country, which in turn has many great effects on diversity of people, because of which CBSE has closed the schools and all shopping malls. And during the coronavirus, we have online classes, because of which teachers has taken lot of efforts in during the online classes. But sometimes we are having the network issue, because of which we are not cope up with the studies. As we all know that syllabus is not completed, because of which coronavirus only. So again, we are welcomed by the school, by our staff and teachers, and I am very grateful and excited for this again, like earlier classes. So I am Ankita and I am thankful for the student staff, as they are taking a lot of efforts and maintaining the and taking precautions, like they are maintaining the social distance in our school classroom. We are provided with the sanitizers so that no one can trap in this coronavirus. Thank you and have a sparkling day.
Myself Aditya Kumar from class 10th. Today we were finally allowed to come to school from 2nd November after a break of 8 months. When I came to school, I was fascinated to see the preparations made by the school. The school followed each and every guidelines of the SOP. Even from the very initial stage, that is from entering the school gate, we were under thermal screening and sanitization. Marks were made on the ground to maintain proper social distancing. Even in the classroom capable of holding 50 people, there were only 10 to 12 students made to sit.
Good morning, my name is Anita Mishra from class 12 Commerce. As we know, we have come school after very long time from COVID. Everything was in a good manner. All are wearing in a mask, have sanitizers. The sitting arrangement was very good. Everyone follows the social distancing, the teachers and the students. As online classes are good, but the virtual classes is more efficient for us.
Good morning, all. Myself Tanishka Trivedi. As we all know that after COVID-19 we have come to school after a very long time. So the school has managed everything so well. They have done proper sanitization at the main gate. They are taking our online classes, but the difference between physical classes and virtual classes are very different. The school is considering everything. They are maintaining social distancing, as well as the interaction between teachers and students is also very good.
Good morning, I am Mohammad Kabir of class 10th. Today, after a long time, in this pandemic, we have came to school. We felt very good after a long time. The online studies, it's better than online study to study in the schools. The school has organized all the things very carefully, and everything is okay in the school. There are sanitizers and everybody is following the social distancing. We are happy to be in the school after a long time, and we can study more focusedly on our studies, and we felt very good after coming to school this much time. After this much time.
So how did you feel in the class today?
Very nice.
Very nice. So please
Tell others
motivate yeah, motivate others also.
So first day was obviously very exciting. Though before entering the school, there were some doubts regarding safety, but after entering the school premises, I really felt it's not the time to fear but to fight. Firstly, our body temperature was measured at the gate using a thermal scanner. There were circles marked on the ground at a distance of 1 meter, and there were teachers standing all along the path from gate class. And teachers directed us to the class while maintaining a social distance. We all were wearing masks. In class, we seated by leaving one bench. We did prayer. Teacher motivated us to fight against the pandemic and study well. Yes, it was not as usual, though it was better than the online classes. It was not as usual. By coming regularly to school, that this pandemic does not really affect us.